Hello students, so in this video we will be studying about what are the meaning and types of quotas. So in the previous video we have studied about tariff, meaning and types. So it is a continued part, that is of quotas, meaning and type. So let us see the first meaning of quotas. So quota means it is a physical limitations of the quantities of different products to be imported from foreign countries with a specific period of time. Usually it will be of 1 year. See, quotas means it is one kind of restrictions. Okay, quotas means it is one kind of restrictions of which means restrictions of imports of goods. Here what happens, governments put some restrictions. On which restrictions they will put? To importing of goods and services is from foreign countries. So usually what happens in this, government will decide. Okay, here what happens, government will decide means that a fixed quantity of commodity to be imported from the foreign countries. For that we call as quotas. Usually it will be for of 1 year period of time. Within 1 year means it says that within 1 year how much goods we require, that much only government will import. That is called as quotas. Hope you understood. Okay, usually quota means what? It is one kind of restrictions or limitations on which government will put limitations on, means on imported goods. Here government will decide that this much fixed of quantity of goods we required in this year, and that much only they will import, other than they will not import. That is called as quotas. So quotas may be fixed either in terms of quantity or the value of the products. Usually it will on of fixed terms of quantity or value of the product. See, for example of quota means see, the government may decide that they want 60,000 color TV sets. They want 60,000 color TV sets they want imported from Japan of rupees 50 crore. Okay, of 50 crore. So okay, of 50 crores. See here what happens, example, a government decide that they want 60,000 of color TV sets from Japan. Okay, it worth of rupees 50 crores. Means government will decide within 1 year we import only 60,000 of color TV sets. Within 60,001 also we won't cross, by means that much we have restricted, that much only we will import the color TV sets from Japan. And one more, for example, suppose a country tells to that country we will import 10,000 car per year only. If you import above 10,001 means we will hire you, will put to high tax, means we will charge you high tax. This is called means high tax we will be import for you. That is called as quota. Means a government will decide this much of goods we will import per year from countries. If they import more than this goods means we will charge them high tax. So this is called meaning of quota. Hope you understood. Means it is one kind of restrictions. Who will put restrictions? A government will put restrictions, means they will decide how much quantity of goods and services they want to import from foreign countries. So next we will study the types of quotas. Usually there are 5 types of quotas, that is the tariff or custom quota, the unilateral quota, the bilateral quota, the mixing quota, and import licensing quota. So we'll study one by one. So the first one is the tariff quota. So usually what happens under this tariff quota system means a given quantity of goods is permitted. Okay, here what happens under this systems, a given quantity of goods is permitted to enter in the country with duty free, or the payment of the relative will be low duty. That is called as the tariff quota. So the tariff quota or custom quota is widely admired measure. So under this system what happens, imported of a commodity up to there will be a specific quantity are allowed to imported duty free or a special law of rate. Here what happens under this tariff quota, a specific quantity is limited. Okay, means specific quantity of goods should be imported. Means if a government says 10,000 means 10,000 only of commodity should be imported, means 10,000 only goods should be imported to the country, means with the duty free or the special lower rate. So your duty free means it is an act of being able to purchase, means purchase of items of particular circumstances of goods without paying import sales or value added tax. So these goods usually are found in airports, that is called as duty free. Okay, yes, under tariff quota what it says, government will give this specific quantity of goods only should be permitted. Okay, under tariff quota means here what happens, a government will decide this much quantity of goods only should be permitted to the country with low tax rate or low duty free. Suppose if the import exceeds with a fixed limit, means the country should pay a high rate of duty. Suppose our country has said 10,000 goods only send per year. If they cross 10,100 of goods they have imported to us, means at that time the government will charge high rate of tax. In this tariff quota, before, suppose we have told them to send only 10,000. If you send 10,000 means for them we will take tax, means under low rate. Suppose if they exits their limit apart from 10,000, if they send 10,100 means at that time the government will charge high rate of duty or tax. That is called as the tariff quota. Understood? Tariff quota means initially the government will give this much goods only limited. Suppose if they want to want to send their more goods, means at that time the government will charge high rate. Okay, next type of quota is unilateral quota. So the unilateral means single. Here comes single country. So what happens in unilateral means under this system a country places an absolute limit of the imported commodity during a given period. It is imposed without prior negotiations with the foreign governments. Means in this also, under this place also a absolute limit is there. Means here also government fix an absolute limit of imported goods during given period of time. So here what happens in unilateral quota means a country takes an agreement. Here a country takes an agreement, or the country takes an agreement or without discussions. Usually a country takes an agreement and they will decide how much goods have to imported. Okay, first here what happens, a country means a single country will take an agreement, or they can make with discussions or without discussions. In that discussions they will decide our country how much goods they have to be imported. they will import that much. And under this system also, the total volume or value of commodity are imported is fixed by law, and there is no any agreement with other country. Okay, first they will make an agreement and they will decide and make discussions how much goods they want to import, and in this total value or value of commodities imported is fixed by law. That is called as unilateral quota. Hope you understood. Means first they will make an agreement, they discuss how much goods they want to import from that country, and the quota is also fixed by either, here comes two types, one is global quota or allocated quota. So what happens under global quota, the commodity can be imported from any country. So here comes two types of quota in unilateral. First is global, second is allocated quota. Okay, first we'll study about global. Okay, under what happens under a global quota means a commodity can be imported from any country up to the full amount of quota. Means what happens under global quota means where a country can be imported any goods and services from any country, that is called as global quota with the full amount of the quota. Hope you understood. Global quota means here what happens, a country decides what type of goods they want to import. They can import from any country with a full amount of quota, that is called as global. Second comes allocated. Okay, in under allocated quota systems, the total quota is distributed among the specified supplying country. So what happens, it is the opposite of global quota. Here under allocated quota means they specifically decide from which country we will import the goods from, then that country only we will import the goods with the supplying countries. Means from which country we wish, from that country only we will import the goods or buy the or purchase the goods. That is called as allocated quota. Understood? There are two types, one is global and one more is unilateral. Under global quota what happens, the country decides, means they want to import goods and services from any country, that is called as global. Unilateral means a country decide a specific country only from which we will import the goods, that is called as unilateral quota. Okay, next comes bilateral quota. So in the previous quota it was uni means single. Here bilateral means two countries. Two countries. So under this bilateral quota means quotas are set through negotiations between the importing country and the exporting country. So in this bilateral quota means where two countries will come up, means two countries will come up and solve the problems. How they will solve the problems? Through mutual discussions, that is called as bilateral quota. So under this quota systems, quotas are fixed by an agreement, means they will make an agreement with one or more countries with an agreed terms. Means here two countries will come up together and solve the problems through mutual discussions. They will solve their problems. Okay, that is called as bilateral quota. Hope you understood. Bilateral quota means it is done through negotiations, means where two countries come up, that is from importing country, or exporting country. They will sit together and solve their problems through agreement, means whichever goods they want to import. Okay, it has the following merits. So the bilateral quota has the following merits. Like quotas are decided by mutual agreement, means where two countries sit up together and solve their problems. Whichever goods they have, they will supply. Whichever goods they don't have, they will supply to each other through a mutual agreement or discussions. And also it minimizes the doubt in imports. So that is called as bilateral quota. Next comes the mixing quota. Mixing quota means it is a type of regulations. So this quota is a type of regulations which require its producers to utilize a certain proportions of domestic raw materials along with imported parts to produce the finished goods domestically. It thus sets limits on the proportion of foreign made raw materials to be imported and used in domestic production. So here what happens, some amounts of raw materials are imported and some amount of raw materials used in domestic side are used to make final products. So what happens in mixing quota, here producers can utilize of their domestic raw materials, and this raw material should convert into the finished goods and supply. Means a country will supply raw materials to a country, means a country A will supply raw materials to country B. So the country B should finish all raw materials and supply to them. So in this also there will be a set of limit, that is called as mixed quota. Okay. Next is import licensing. The import licensing, it is a mechanism of import licensing has been evolved as a system devised to administrate quota regulations. Under this, prospective importers are required to obtain a license from the proper authorities for importing a quantity with the specified quotas. Licenses are generally distributed among the established importers, keep in view their share in the country's import trade. So here what happens under import licensing, suppose if some countries will fulfill all some terms and conditions, means government will provide them import license. Here what happens, the country will provide import license to the n number of countries, means they should fulfill their some terms and conditions. They should fulfill all terms and conditions, means that much goods you should be import to our country with low price or low rate. Means if you fulfill all our terms and conditions, means then only the government will provide them import licensing, that is called as import license. And importers here are required to obtain license from the proper authorities from importing. Means here the government will provide import licensing. Suppose if they fulfill all the terms and conditions or rules and regulations whichever the country has told, means if they fulfill, means the country will provide them import license. So these are the meaning and types of quotas. Okay, so one by one we'll revise. Quota means it is one kind of restrictions. Means who will put restrictions, means here government will put some restrictions. Means why they put restrictions, means they will government will decide a fixed quantity of amount that they want to import from the country. Means how much they want, that much only they will import from the countries. So these were the types of quotas. First is tariff quota. Okay, under this quota what happens, initially the government will charge low rate. Afterwards if they exceeds their limit, means the government will charge high rate of taxes. Unilateral quota means single, means your country takes an agreement, means how much goods they want to import from another country, that much they will import. Second, next was bilateral quota. Means here two countries will come up together and solve their problems through mutual discussions. Means for mutual discussions. Next, mixing quota means some amount of raw materials are imported. For that raw materials we should convert into finished goods and send them. Next, import licensing means your government will provide import license through, if they listen all the terms and conditions to that government, then only will provide import licensing.